Hello, everyone. This is Tom Smith. I am coming to you from my home here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and wanted to reach out to you to extend a personal invitation to join our webinar called How Consumer Brands Can Respond Faster and Rebuild Stronger from COVID-19. We hosted this webinar last week, and we just had incredible response to it. We had over 100 attendees join us from 17 different countries, and we filled every one of our virtual seats. So we decided, let's go ahead and kick this up again. And so we are going to have the webinar again. It's Wednesday, April 8th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So I hope you can join us. I'm also going to have some of our colleagues from Europe join us on the call. They are about a few weeks ahead of us on the curve, and I think there's some really good insights, particularly for people here in the U.S. To glean. So hope you can join us. You can register for the webinar in the link below.